African sexuality is not just sensual. It is also sacred, sanctified, spiritual. Like many other things to do with our cultures, African sexuality has been distorted. Our energetic fertility dances being labeled vulgar, indecent, unclean. Our love-making enhancing jewelry being deemed inappropriate, pagan. Some of our most sacred practices and material culture being demonized to near extinction. Earth herbs that healed our wombs and strengthened our backs, now seen as unpleasant, unpalatable, poisonous even. We used to have sainted oils that we kept in special sacred calabashes, only used to massage and relax that one loved one. We used to have aunties and uncles who taught nieces and nephews not just about manners and hygiene in general, but about good manners toward each other in marriage and in spiritual hygiene. The poem Ndimutsewo Zvakanaka is an erotic, elucidative effort to reclaim the beauty of an African love, the beauty of sacred love-making, an effort to reclaim the good that we lost, that we are losing, and that we may lose. This poem is a celebration of marriage as a sacred entity, which is the backbone of healthy families, of healthy villages. It is a celebration of creative and spiritually hygienic lovemaking between two lovers who respect their sacred union enough to make their needs known to each other. Here is the poem Ndimutsewo Zvakanaka. Shamwari, ndimutsewo zvakanaka.